I'm R. Prabha, Assistant Professor in the Department of EC, SNS College of Technology. In this video, we are going to see the topic on SR, JK flip-flop, operation and excitation tables for the course Digital System Design. So now let us recall the previous topic, latches. Latch is a basic building block of a sequential circuit, and it is a memory element. It is a bistable device having two inputs and two outputs. And the outputs are always complement to each other. One is Q and another one is Q complement. And it does not require a clock signal. It have enable line, and the output changes only when the enable input signal is applied, and they are level triggered. So now coming to the learning objectives of this video. One is understanding SR and JK flip-flop fundamentals, analyzing characteristic table behavior, derive and applying the characteristic equations. So in the learning objective, we are going to see in a design thinking way, empathizing is understanding the critical role of memory elements in digital systems. In the defined part, we are analyzing SR flip-flop operation and its limitations. So because of this limitation, in ideate part, we are exploring JK flip-flop as the improved solution, and the prototype is building excitation table for practical design and testing assessment question to validate the understanding of the learners. So empathize part, why flip-flop matters is flip-flop are the fundamental memory elements in sequential logic circuits, which are forming a backbone for the digital storage systems. And the defined part, we are using SR flip-flop operation. It having two inputs, one is set input and another one is reset input, two outputs Q and Q bar. And when the set input is 1 and 0, we have the output Q is 0, and when the set input is again 1 and 1, there is no change. And when the reset input is 1, the system is reset, that is Q is equal to 1, output Q bar is equal to 0. And again 1 1 makes no change. And when both are 0, it goes to invalid state, and this is the drawback of SR flip-flop. And SR flip-flop characteristic table is given in the diagram, and characteristic equation becomes the next state Q of t plus 1 is S plus R Q bar. This is obtained from the Karnaugh map. And now in the ideate part, to eliminate the drawback or flaw of SR flip-flop, we are going to see the next type of flip-flop called JK flip-flop. JK flip-flop eliminates invalid state, and here the clock triggered operation is given, and it is a universal flip-flop. We can implement any flip-flop through proper input combinations, making the most versatile memory element. And the JK flip-flop operation, the Q bar is connected to J and Q is connected to K. This gives the sustained operation. It eliminates the drawback of SR flip-flop when both inputs are 0 and it goes to invalid state. Here, if we give input in this way, Q bar is given to J and Q is given to the input of lower and NAND gate, it is K with K. We can eliminate the drawback of SR. So this is characteristic table of SR JK flip-flop, and the characteristic equation. The next state Q t plus 1 is J Q bar and K bar Q, and this is the characteristic equation obtained from Karnaugh map. So prototype excitation tables have built for 0 0 in SR flip-flop 0x, 0 1 is 1 0, 1 0 is 0 1, 1 1 is x and 0. Here x represents the don't cares. And JK flip-flop excitation table for 0 and 0 for present and next state, J becomes 0, K becomes don't care. Meaning means k may be any value, it may be 0 or it may be 1. And for 0 1 it is 1x, 1 0 it is x1, 1 1 it is x0. So here x I am saying it as don't guess. So now coming to the application part, Flip-flops are very much useful in registers, frequency dividers, digital counters, which enhance the functionality of the digital systems. So summary, so far we have seen the sequential logic circuit, topic SR and JK flip-flop fundamentals, and we have seen the importance of flip-flop applications, and also we have seen the memory elements. The flip-flops are the memory elements. They are the backbone of digital systems and also the sequential logic circuits. So now the assessment questions. What happens when an S and R equal to 1 in SR flip-flop? It goes to invalid condition. In JK flip-flop, the SR flip-flop limitation is solved by giving J to the Q bar and K to the input to the Q. And what inputs make JK flip-flop toggle its output? So J is equal to K is equal to 1 makes toggle condition. And excitation table are very important in sequential logic circuit to obtain the desired state transitions. References. Thank you.